to make slime. Now, I tried this one time, ended like a disaster, literally a disaster. Because all the slime got all over the table, all over here. Then we all had to set it all reopen again. Well, no, not reopen. But we're going to be making slime. Now, what I really like about slime is about like how it's like so squishy. I think it's very interesting. But yeah, I'm talking too much. Okay, so do I actually pour this in here? Okay. We gotta be very careful because if it won't turn out. If this goes anywhere else, it will not turn out good. It will probably, but mostly at one part, there will be a stopping because when I tried this, I found out on the top lid that it was all good. So we're gonna make this because all this is filled with warm water. So we're gonna try something else. You know, you could just use this one. But we got water. Why am I some more slime. Slime for days. For days. But I'm gonna put these in here.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. Very kind. I said climb. Like your car is declined. I like this boy so much. And then you end up going to there and he's like, no, it's gonna be me. He's like, yes, and you're like, your card's declined. You're like, okay. And your girls are not. Ooh. That's called cheating. Not really cheating. Wait. I need to get something. I need to get this spoon out of here because the spoon in here, I need it. I'm gonna have to get up and clean it all over again. So the escaping. Okay. This will happen, but let's get all this glue. I hope I don't make a mess. Okay, let's get that. Get that. Probably at one point I will blank out. I usually blank out with like that. Like I don't really focus that much, but it's just me in life. Okay, almost done. We got I need to get this whole thing in. Let's put this right here.
I think you're good.
I think I'm good.
Mm-hmm.
There's still glue. But
it's okay. I put a little extra in there. Okay.
Okay. I didn't know that. Probably wasn't on time of me. Person that's filming right now. Wait, do I need to pour this in here?
No. You have to mix it first with your...
Oh, okay, I gotta mix it.
Sparkles and stuff.
Sparkles. They're not really sparkles. But if you want me to make another slime video, just leave it down in the comments down below. Because I will probably do it. But I didn't really film in a long time, so I thought I would be like, you know what, I should film. You have to tell me when I'm almost done with this, because I'm gonna. Wow, it's going very fast. Am I done yet?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm done.
Now put this in there.
Okay.
No, you don't have to take the lid off. Just pour it in the
No,
little...
I will make a mess if I do that.
Okay.
I know, because I know myself very well. Okay. Now the finishing touch. Spin it as fast as you can. So, okay, why did I not put the top like always? Weird. But if you actually want to see, I saw people like got like they have like normal white glue or clear glue. So they mostly just get like when they say like when it said like say to put all your like elements in there that you got from out of the bags. Usually they have clear slime, and they usually like get some stuff and put like the glitter, and like you have dye and you put some in there and like make it all blue. And there's another cool thing. You probably could make like get like a whole set of blue slime, and make some other slime with some like some of this stuff and some of this stuff, or any sparkles, anything. But what you mostly can do is like roll up in a ball and like pour it like that. It's very cool. Now this slime is turning out beautiful. I'm just gonna roll it very fast because I am very impatient. Very fast. Okay, it's starting to jiggle like hey, watch. It's like right here. It's like stop it. I'm getting ran over like a car. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. I'm gonna keep on going if I want to. Now, if you get bored and your arm starts like getting hard to move, you should take a break. But I'm too dumb to not take one. So I'm just gonna make myself suffer and just do this some kind of way. Wait, I'm gonna take the top off and like get all the stuff out of here. Don't forget I'm putting this in this harmony.
I'll put them in there before it gets too thick.
That's usually what they do. Like when it gets too thick, it won't even let me take it out.
Oh, it worked good this time.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it in there because I'm just making sure. you don't want no problems. Get your hands back in position. But I think like one more minute of talking, because I don't really know how to skip this video. Or like skip some half. My hand is sticky. You know what? I'm done. My hand is hurting so bad. Just do this.
Let's take the bottom.
Huh?
The bottom. Take the bottom.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. You have to take the bottom. But I'm gonna try it. Okay. Sticky. Yeah, it came out.
It worked really well that time. I guess you just had to stir it longer.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Oh no, it's sticking to my hand. Oh no.
Still better than it did last time.
So like you're supposed mostly what to get like all thick and stuff is like go to hand in hand and like squish it. Like squish it. Squish. It's so cool when you actually squish it. But kids, if you're watching this video, I suggest always do this with someone noticing, because if you do this alone, your parents will totally ground you. No one wants that.
No.
Literally, I've been grounded before. It's terrible. It's mostly like a nightmare. But I think this is almost done with the whole thing. But I want to show you what you can do with this. Don't put it on the rug. You will get grounded for that too. Don't do anything that has fur on it. Don't put it on your pets, at least if you're crazy enough to do that. Don't put it in your hair. I'm just letting you know. Put it in your hair, and you'll be like, your mama probably won't care. Like, well, you were the one to put it out there. But my mom, if I ever did that, she would be in big trouble. I would really? So, you could go to jail. Because this is like a nuisance. Not really a nuisance. Like, you can't really frame anyone for this. Horrible stuff. Oopsie. I'm getting bored, probably.
Alright, my phone's about to die.
Okay. Dang it.
Right.
But,
You have successfully made slime.
yes, you have. But if you want to put in, elements like that stuff, do it before this happens. Because if you're making probably a video, make sure it's all the way up to full health. But after this video, I just got to do one more thing. So I'm not going to put all the slime in there right now. But if you want to make something, I'm just going to put this right down here. Right here. And I'll probably squish it up some more. I'll probably have it in my next video. If y'all do leave me comments about this. But you can get some of this stuff. And rip some of it and sprinkle it all in there. And to make it when someone tries to crush it, it's oh my gosh, that hurts so bad. You know what hurts? Because they can't mostly see it. It's because you can mostly just go through it to see it. But yeah, this is really very cool. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up. If you hated this video, I would probably be with you. But if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Hated it, give it a thumbs down. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.